Hi and welcome to this quick unboxing video of the Osmo Mobile 6 Gimbal. The Osmo 6 comes in a sleek shrink-wrapped box with the isolated product shot on the front of the packaging. On the box there's an illustrated set to show its most common features and functionality. The contents of the box is shown towards the bottom as well. On one side of the packaging there's imagery showing some real-life shots of the product in use, as well as the included tripod. The plastic wrapping takes a tiny bit of effort, but once it's ripped, it easily comes off. There's a sticker at the bottom which is easily removed, and on opening you're greeted with the message, "Unfold the creativity." The inside flap has very sparse get started illustrations. A small tab at the bottom lifts up to reveal a small slender box. Inside this is a nice little carry case with the Osmo name embossed on it. And neatly tucked inside this is a quick start guide which repeats some of the instructions found on the inside flap. There aren't any written explanations, so you'd assume that the device is intuitive to use. On the back it shows the extendable arm and how the gimbal can be charged. Also included is a safety guidelines booklet and what I assume is the warranty booklet. On the other side of the inner box you'll find a USB A to C cable. Finally, we come to the gimbal itself, which is sealed in a semi-diaphanous cover. The device is well designed and has a bit of weight to it, with the display, joystick and other buttons up front. The DJI logo is emblazoned on the bottom part of the handle, and on the right hand side you'll find a USB-C port. And towards the back the foldable gimbal arm, which is branded with OM. The left hand side has a dial control, which I believe is used for zooming and focusing. And on the bottom is a 3/4 inch screw. Next up is the phone holder, which is made out of metal and has the same OM marking in the middle. Finally, there's a small collapsible tripod with a 3/4 inch screw to hold the gimbal for those special modes such as time-lapse and so on. The feet appear solid, however on the bottom there's a crisscrossing lattice structure for support while still being lightweight. Also included is some anti-slip pads for the phone holder if needed. And finally the obligatory lifting of the inners to see if there's any goodies hiding. Nope. Well, there you have it. I'm planning on doing a first impressions/review video for this shortly, so stay tuned. Also consider liking, sharing this video as well as subscribing to my channel to help me grow. Thank you for watching and goodbye for now.